guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create this book 2 by Mariah Elizabeth. This is the front, this is the back. I'm going to show you how to decorate both. So first I sketched out my design with a pencil. I made it like a rainbow waterfall, but you can do whichever you want. Design could be anything, like you can make whatever your mind wants. So then I took my crayons and started coloring it in. I thought this might look nice. So now I'm going for the touch-ups, cleaning my mistakes in. If you want, you could do something else for the design. Like if you don't want to do a rainbow waterfall, you can make a normal waterfall, color it pink, add stars around, or whatever in your mind comes. It's your book, do what you want. And if you don't create this book, take a white book. If you don't have a white book, paint it white and just draw the label of create this book. Then you can color it like I am doing. So I'm adding stars around it with my purple crayon. And now I put a paper for protection so that I don't get it on my book's edge. Now I'm going on the spine, coloring this. I am also going to bring the rainbow waterfall on this side, but this side it's going to be shaped like a little rainbow. Now I'm getting the orange and after red, then the yellow. This is by Mariah Elizabeth. If you don't know who's Mariah Elizabeth, please check out her channel. She's a great YouTuber on YouTube and her videos are inspired to art. And now I'm going to take my crayons only and sketch that, because the pencils don't work that well, but it does show. Crayons work better. So now I'm drawing on my design. So now, guys, this is a very, very easy project and you just have to decorate. And inside the book, there are prompts written. And we can do those prompts pages whenever we want. I will have a series on Create This Book where I will do different types of prompts. Pages and prompts. Now I am going to color in the rainbow. I have colored it in and now I'm bringing that onto the bottom, trying to match the colors. Now I'm coloring that in. The paper is for protection so we don't get it in the other areas. So now I'm coloring the edge green, then blue. Then I'm going to take yellow and color in. Then I'm going to take red and color that part in. So now I'm going to draw stars on the top like I have drawn on the cover. This is just to make it a little bit fancy. If you don't want to do this, it's fine. It's your book. If you want, you can do dots instead of stars. It might be easier. And you can color the whole book in and even go over the instructions like I did in the back. Even you want, you can do it on the front too. You can use color pencils or crayons. Don't try washable markers, otherwise it rubs. Gel pens too don't work that great. And watercolors kind of works, but the book repels water, so it's hard. so that's why I used crayons. Acrylic paint goes on really easy. And this is the book, what I colored. I hope you like my book. But now we are going to put tape so that the crayon does not scratch off super easily. First we are going to put it on the spine like that. We are going to cover the spine in. And then we are going to move on to the front. You can put it on top, but it will be double layered if you put it on the top. You should ask an adult to help or you might mess up. And try to do it a little bit neatly. So this is my book. I hope you like it. See, I have drawn stars on the spine. Not on the spine means the pages. I have colored and I have made this super cool rainbow kind of thing. And I have colored the spine too. So I hope you like my book. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell as well. Thank you guys. This is the finished product. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell as well.